Today's Tuesday, June 2nd. This is the 1970 Cadillac DeVille windshield wiper control module. This is from my friend Benny. This is one out of a multi-piece order. I've got the unit connected to power. I'm going to be doing a functional validation test. We'll be looking for the light bulb to come on. And this is the second video out of a 2-video set for the wiper, whereas the predecessor video showed the complete breakdown of the dissimilar components that comprise the final embodiment, which is now assembled. Connected under power. We're going to do a functional validation test. First thing I'll test is the squirter. And I'll go ahead and press down. And we can see how the squirter works. And upon pressing the squirter, it also pushes the unit up to medium. Okay. I'll check the medium speed. Check the high. And I'll check the low, and there we've got low, medium, and high, and the squirter function. Okay, and this will be going out to my friend Benny as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Okay, today is Tuesday, June 2nd. This is Eldorado, Georgia, in Florida. Thank you very kindly.